Title: The Tale of the Singing Bamboo. Once upon a time, in the picturesque state of Manipur, there lived a young boy named Pambay. He was known throughout the village for his melodious voice and his love for the bamboo flute. Pambay spent his days tending to his family's rice fields and evenings playing enchanting tunes on his bamboo flute. Pambay's music had a magical quality that could make even the wildest animals calm and the angriest hearts peaceful. People from neighboring villages would visit just to hear him play, and they'd leave with their souls refreshed and their burdens lighter. However, Pambay was a very modest boy. He never sought fame or fortune for his talent. He played the bamboo flute because it brought joy to his heart and the hearts of others. A jealous neighbor Nongin, on the other hand, was a greedy and envious man. He couldn't stand the fact that Pambay was getting all the attention and admiration. Night, driven by his jealousy, Nongin decided to steal Pambay's precious bamboo flute. He believed that if he possessed the flute, he could become the village's greatest musician and outshine Pambay. To his dismay, when Nongin tried to play the flute, it produced the most terrible discordant sounds. No matter how hard he tried, the flute refused to obey him. He had stolen Pambay's treasure, but he couldn't unlock its magic. When Pambay found out about the theft, he didn't harbor anger or hatred towards Nongin. Instead, he approached him with a compassionate heart, willing to help him learn to play the flute. As Nongin learned to play the flute with Pambay's guidance, he realized the importance of humility and the value of true friendship. The morale of this Manipuri folktale is that envy and greed can lead to discord and unhappiness, while humility, forgiveness, and cooperation can bring harmony and joy to both individuals and their community.